Yo, the Cosmic here. I wanted to do a quick video, kind of recapping my trades today. Um, Today started off great, but I ended up just making some very, very bad trades today. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it. This is my E-Trade account. Um, Starting off today, I I kind of lost a little bit. You can see here. WRTC. I chased it at the eights, panic and sold at the 719s. I'll bring up the chart here in a second, and I'll show you how I really should have played these stocks. But hindsight is 2020, so nothing you can do about that. DLGY, I was in at a good price, but I just was chasing this. Well, it wasn't even in a good price. I was just chasing the stock. Then go out to my other brokerage account. This is my cash account. The other one was my margin account. So yeah, you can see right here, I actually made pretty good money on WRTC for my weekend hold. My average was 670, and I got out at 775. Good $1.05 gain right there. CETX, I could have held this a little bit longer, but I, just cut for a quick loss. It ended up going into the twos today. AYTU, this was actually a good. I'm glad that I got out of it. It's now sitting like I believe at $1.55. I'm going to go over to my E-Trade Pro here in a second to show you exactly what's going on. But I just want to be completely candid and show you that, hey, I am calling these plays, but I am just making horrible, horrible trades today. CETX right here was another one of my big losses, $35 loss because I was chasing a breakout, even though it came back and retested these levels, or it actually didn't come back and retest those levels. It kind of just faded off into the 235s for the rest of the day. So I'll get into this a little bit more. Essentially, over trading and chasing was my problems today. Even though these were good police sympathy plays on DLGY and CETX, WRTC, like I said, I nailed that over the weekend hold. But going over here, you just see that I chased it and cut my losses way too late, way too late. So let's go ahead and first I want to start off before I dive straight into this. Please like and give me a like and subscribe here on YouTube. It's helping a whole lot. The channel is showing some pretty good growth. Um, this is just helping me grow my community that I'm setting up for my Discord server here. Traders Anonymous, Anonymous Traders. We changed our name because we want our initials to be AT versus TA. So you Discord link and down in the description. Give me a like and a subscribe. If you have a YouTube channel, I will subscribe back to you. I always give it back. I always pay it back. Same with Twitter. Here's my Twitter account. Link is also in the description. But look, I'm following 204. I've actually gained, a good 40 followers in the past few days. And you can go here and see. I follow all my followers. I just support people who support me. And speaking on that, we have set up a donations on our Discord server. So let me bring that up here in a second. We do a donations tab. Our Discord server is completely free. Anonymous Trader. We have four moderators, but Code Trader, he's in and out. He's a very, very busy man. But Mother Goose and I were the ones to go ahead and think, hey, let's get this started and let's have a free outlet for those who can't afford some subscriptions. So this Discord is a free outlet. We are trying to give back to the community. We just started doing donations. We'll pretty all this up later. Um, and it's just a way for us to give back to the community, and any donations me personally, I am putting back into the server. So I will be doing contests for um, free Benzinga Pro for a month, or you know, actual cash donations. Contests are going to be rolling out. So, like I said, like and subscribe. We'll have contests. We'll see what's going to happen. I will set the criteria for you to have to be in the Discord, have to be subscribed to the YouTube channel, and have to be following me on Twitter. Those were just the basic criteria. But if we are trading, I will set up the other criteria later on once we start getting Benzinga, not Benzinga, our Discord server really, really solidified in our contest in the way that we want to. But we are also working on an affiliate link with Benzinga Pro, so give us a little bit of time on that. And let's go ahead and let me give a shout out to Ganesh Gowda. It goes by GG on our Discord. Their code name is GG24. Actually gave us a $50 donation today out of the graciousness of their hearts. Thank you so much. We also have one other donator. Our actual first donator was a fellow named Lokiwa, and I'll bring this back up. Lokiwa, Spaznut actually shouted him out, but I'm also going to give him a shout out here. Thank you so much for being our first donator. You don't know how much it means to us. And we are going to be working on something to give back to those who do donate for us. It's in the pipeline. We didn't expect donations to come out this quick. So now let's just go ahead and get back into the trading day. So let me resume this. So jumping into E-Trade Pro here, you'll see my positions that I'm in right now. I'm in Mark at I got 250 shares at 258. UAVS got 200 shares at 150, and MARA I got 500 shares at 0.94. I will be going over all of these in another video, laying out my watch list for tomorrow. So just keep an eye on that. That will be out either tonight or early tomorrow morning. But let's go ahead and review kind of how I did my plays. We'll start with WRTC. WRTC, it is a police sympathy play with all these riots. They actually thank you so much to Tim Sykes, because watching his video lessons back from 2017, he said anytime something like the injustice that has happened tragically to George Floyd happens, these police sympathy plays pop off. So I actually got in right here in the 670 ranges and sold pre-market. Great play. Solid first green day play that I usually bank off of. Problem is, I chased. I saw that right here. It was starting to, it topped off its pre-market high at 812. And I got in around the 780s, 8-ish areas. And this crack right here just shook me out. I got out at 719, and like I said, hindsight is 2020. My original plan was to go ahead and hold it throughout the rest of the day. And if I held it throughout the rest of the day, I would have been profitable. I would have stayed up on my money all day. But what also worried me is they announced an offering. And it's going to be closing tomorrow. And so I might actually be looking to short this tomorrow because their offering is at $6. So we'll see what happens. Again, I will be going more into that in my video a little bit later. Going to CETX, I actually saw this thanks to Tim's chat alerts. It came from a fellow by the username of Irish, and alerted us right around here. And so, I mean, I played it a little bit. I didn't do the perfect plays throughout here. But what my downfall was coming in chasing these spikes right here. This spike in pre-market, I didn't sell whenever I should have, and I sold for a loss versus making a gain. So that was the start of my horrible over trading today. Going to the others ticker that I traded today, DLGY. Uh, yeah, I don't even know what I was thinking. I got in because it's another police sympathy play around this time, and then this dip shook me out. I took an $18 loss to cut my losses quickly, and you see what it done for the rest of the day. It's making me reassess my risk levels. I should start cutting my losses smartly versus quickly because this just continued to go. I don't have faith in it. The fact that it did this huge gap down today, even though it's actually a red day. You look over here on the daily chart, it's actually a red day. So I'll be watching it, but it's a dead play to me now. Next, we are going to go to AYTU, and kind of what another play that this is actually a COVID play. Fast track on FDA gave them a fast track for COVID testing, and I chased this spike right here, and I sold right around the top. It was a very small gain. It was like a $3 gain. It was just something that I didn't like the price action once I saw it getting a little bit toppy here. And you can just see that right there. It's at a high, higher low, another lower high, and whenever it shows this pattern, that right there is what I really want to see. I want to see this, but a higher high. It didn't get the higher high, and it actually set another lower low. It came back up here and it topped. Classic double top pattern. This is a bear flag or a bear signal, and that honestly would have been the best time to short it. And as you can see throughout the rest of the day, it just faded off. So that's essentially my overview for today. You see the positions that I am in for the overnight, and like I said, I'm going over making my watch list video right after this one. So y'all stay tuned, like and subscribe, and let me know if y'all want anything else within this channel so I can mold this to what the community wants. Thank y'all so much. Y'all have a good one.